Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Be prepared as the economic calendar for the coming days unveils a series of impactful data releases. These updates, from crucial high-impact reports to secondary announcements, could redefine market sentiment and trading strategies. As we approach these data points, investors should keep their strategies flexible. The coming days may bring shifts that provide both opportunities and risks.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices steadied as investors weighed a smaller than expected increase to OPEC Plus output in November against signs of a potential supply glut. OPEC Plus decided to increase collective oil production by 137,000 barrels per day, starting in November. Concerns about the fiscal outlook in Japan sent the yen to a more than 7-month low against the US dollar, and political uncertainty in France dented the euro, with traders also focused on any signs of when the US federal government will reopen. Grayscale staked $150 million worth of Ether after introducing staking for its ETPs. The asset management company staked 32,000 Ether. The move enables Grayscale's ETP and its shareholders to start earning passive income via staking rewards.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar-yen pair exploded 1.0% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. After a 1.2% dip during the last session, the Bitcoin-dollar pair closed with a 2.1% drop. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. After a 1.9% dip during the last session, the oil-dollar pair closed with a 0.4% gain. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.